Es una buena asesina. Locura. Fuma 14. Yo canto para vivir, corazones. Welcome, guys. Thanks for being here. Another day, another trade. Let's see the reactions what we have in this session. In this session, but well, first of all, we need to break the 0.5 and then we need to see the retracement at least 32.13 to open that trade. Okay, so let's see what happened. Let's see if the pressure can continue or not. It depends of the next hours. Okay. This moment looks great, the reaction. So, well, 2 minutes. Chintak is here. I'm fine, my friend. Hello, Georgios, Mustafa, JJ, LMS. Thanks, my friend, for being here. News in 4 minutes. Thanks, Mux. Yes, for that reason, we're waiting, guys. For that reason, we're waiting. I'm not taking any crazy position because for today we have the PMI for the SP, and then we have the existing home sales. So for the last month, the existing home sales and the old home sales, I think, it's not that strong, you know, for the impact with gold. But at this moment, we need to see the price at this before the news. We got a pressure for sellers. Okay, we have a pressure for sellers. That's the reality. What we have in this moment. In other time frames, right? In what time frames? In 1 hour, for example. In 1 hour, we saw break of some supports, then some reactions to 32.85. So probably at this moment, depends according with the news, we will test the 32.95 or something like this, and then we will all go for more. What means more? Around 33.50, something like this. Okay, it depends for the next seconds. Let's see the reactions for the news. hard reactions. It was for around, let me see, 50 pips, 8 to 60 pips in 1 minute. 60 pips in 1 minute. So let me see. I don't know, not clear. Mix. I think it's mixed. The result is mixed. It's not that positive. It's in negative, the first result. And let me check the May results. Forecast, previous. So well, I think the impact is just as negative for the USD. So well, to be honest, I don't know. So let's see the existing home sales in 10 minutes. So let's wait 10 minutes for clarifying the positions. Give me nothing because right now it's the some news for right now. Well, the price is the reaction is very negative for gold. So well, it's continued. So let's wait 10 minutes, guys. 10 minutes for the next news. Pues no, papá. Ah, sigue cayendo el precio. Sigue cayendo precio. So, well, guys, the price still falling. So, not sure if the it depends for the today have the grave dinner outside, so for that reason you will see you will listen to some background just in case. Okay, be clear. It's my grave dinner. Let me check if this dinero. Gardner, it's outside, it's working in my garden. So, so yes, this is the background. This is the background. But well, guys, I think it's a must wait at least 4 minutes more for the others news. Okay, the home sales starting in 8 minutes, I think. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. So still falling last minute. So well, all my ideas now, it's done because the price is just going back. Reactions for the news. I think it was negative, I think it was negative for the USD. But this candle, it's generated for the last news. Okay. So let's see. We will see prices around here. So what the news is now, let me see. It's existing home sales in negative. No, it was in positive. It was in positive for the USD. It was in positive for that reason. The price is falling. The SP Global Compositive for May and General 1, it's in positive for the manufacturing and the services. It's in positive, and for that reason the price is falling. So probably this, the orders here, it's done with the orders. But well, let's wait this candle. This candle, it's another candle for the news. So for that reason, we will fall. Okay, gold is crazy, dude. Yes, it's crazy. Most of the time, it's really, really crazy. So let's see. 10 minutes more, guys. It's time to wait. And that's it. Not too much to do this hour. Why? Because the Bearish engulfing on 1 hour, yes, Prince. But the thing is, this candle is generated for the news, right? It's generated for the news. For that reason, it's not like natural volume in its push for the news. So well, let's see. Just just be patient, guys. Remember, with the news, it's better just stay away of the market. So 9 minutes. 9 minutes, and let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Okay. Okay, just let me clarify here. Okay, this is for the 8. Okay, perfect. 5 minutes. And now my idea ends open a long positions. No, Chintak, nothing count during the news. Nothing. Nothing. Any analysis don't count during the news. The news do whatever they want and that's it. So what we have here, if the price end near to 32.91, we will see a pin bar reaction. One minute. I enter a tight stop loss, perfect. Probably they will break that soon. But again, we are waiting, guys. We are waiting. Buy now? No, my friend. Just wait. Be patient. Be patient. So well, I don't like that candle. It didn't look like a pin bar reaction. So our better option it's wait. Let's wait 15 minutes at this moment. Let's wait. Twelve minutes. Looks great. The volume looks great there. Ten minutes. For a funder account, there you will get the 40% of discount, my friend, with Quantical. Something like this, this is like an engulfing candle, looks like evening star, morning star, sorry. Looks great. So probably if we got the confirmation, if the price end near to 32.93, 32.95, it's going to be a good reaction for open a long position. But let's wait 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Six minutes. Still waiting, guys. Five minutes. Nice volume. Four minutes. 4 minutes. Let's be ready. Three minutes. Three minutes. Now we got the confirmation, but we need the retracement, guys. We need to retracement. We need the retracement, guys. What candle are we waiting at? What exact position are we waiting? Are we targeting? What exact position are we targeting? A long position. A long position. It's not FPG. The FPG is the red candle. Okay. Well, the price is going up very hard. So at this moment, it's time to wait. Not too much to do. The XAU breakout. The was radio 15 minutes. Long's good. Looking for a sell at 32.99.5. TP at 32.77. Okay, 32.99. So yes, into the FPG. The thing is with that candle, I don't like that candle because it was generated for the last news about the positive information for the PMI for gold, for USD, sorry. So for that reason, I'm going to use this candle as a reference. Okay, that is the main reason. Be careful, YouTube channel is unfiltered trader, most probably demo account, also easier to trade a demo, and some demos also replicate withdrawal. For sure, this gold scalping live probably some other channels is like this. Some other channels is like this for sure. Well, probably you are new here. That is the reason. When to buy? Not at this moment. What is your time for live? I was waiting in the morning. My friend, just turn on the notifications, the bell, the bell. You will receive when I'm going to be in, my friend. Samantaray. So now we got the confirmation. It's time to wait the retracement. Ten seconds. So now we got the confirmation. Let's wait the retracement, guys. Let's wait the retracement. Let's wait the retracement. JJ, no, you can do that. You can do that. How are sacked? Okay, let's wait. Let me clarify the reaction sun. By my side, I really like to test the 3290. Okay, but it's a possible position here to 3293. into the 0.5, but it depends of the next minutes, okay? And probably the option is like we're not going to see a retracement. This is another option, you know. But let's wait. Let's wait. Retracement. Retracement, guys. How's it going? Hello, my friend. Good, good. The future war, the future war. Hello, my friend. Kato, I'm holding till 15 minutes, okay? Just one FX. 330088. So, well, that's another good point. Now I'm waiting, guys. Now it's waiting. Going to open a short position in NASDAQ. So let me some minutes for clarify the point. So give me 1 second. Remember, here in gold, we are waiting at least the 32.93, at least. Okay. For that retracement. Working into the point of end point to the TPs for the NAS 21 3 that 067. Nice and 867 60. Okay, perfect. Let's see the result into the NASDAQ trade. And well, by this point, looks like really good reaction. Not good for our intentions. Not good for our intentions because we need to see another good reaction. I know some people was in a sell position, but well, guys, for one candle for generated for the news in red, it didn't mean that much, to be honest. I have heard there's something the USD is rising. Sometimes, yes, my friend. I would say like 80% of the time or 70% of the time it happens. Samantarai. Buying level what? Possible to keep going without retracing? Yes, it's possible, Munir. It's going up. It's going up. So, well, back to the 338101, sorry. 8001 heads now, but the rate of to close. What's the TP for the trade? Nothing, guys. Sorry, but the retracement wasn't good. I was waiting at least the at least the 3293 at least. So well, probably we will see not the best reactions this moment. So well, let me clarify. This is the last two candles for probably the price will test. Probably the price will test the sun there. Just be patient, guys. Just be patient. We will test the prices around 8, around those points. Okay, around those points. It's time to wait. This is the last candle for the 1 hour candle. Okay. But well, with this one, See, guys, I'm going to eat my breakfast and back. Okay, so let's wait these 15 minutes. Not much to do at this moment. So let's wait. And we'll set my alarms for if something weird happen. I'll be back in 10 minutes. So guys, good reaction, really nice reaction. And TP1 for Dow Jones. TP1 for Dow Jones. It was for 73 pips. Plus 73 pips in Dow Jones. So that was beautiful. That was beautiful trade. That was a beautiful trade in Dow Jones. Now drawn down. Now it's going to test again the point of entry, so that was beautiful, but well, 73 pips with no risk. That's really, really nice. First trade of the day, NASDAQ plus 73 pips. Okay, let me read the LMS. It was US 100. It means NASDAQ, my friend. It means NASDAQ. So, well, TP1 in NASDAQ, I already called it into the Telegram. Now it's time to check the retracement for gold position. For gold position. It's nice. Okay, let's be ready. Testing the 0.5. It's time to be ready, guys. This is the first candle, yes. First candle. So I'm preparing a long position. Hard retracement. So that's nice. Why? Because we will see a better point of entry. Okay. So, guys, at this moment I'm waiting a little consolidation in 1 minute. Sorry. So waiting for the consolidation in 1 minute, guys. Waiting for the consolidation in 1 minute. Well, the first trade of the day was NASDAQ with 73. I said no, I said sell US 100 in Telegram. My friend, I know you're in Telegram, so you receive the instructions. Remember, we're waiting, guys. The point of entry, it's not there. It's a possibility, but we are waiting, okay? We are waiting, guys. Waiting the proper consolidation for get a point of entry, a strong point of entry, okay? To be clear of that, please be clear of that. But yeah, sometimes I'm confused, you know, I'm speaking about the NASDAQ and Dow Jones, but always into the Telegram, I clarify what is the um, what is the what is the pair when it's going to work. So in Telegram, I clarify it was for Dow Jones. Sorry, NASDAQ. US 100. US 100, it means NASDAQ. So 73 pips in less than 15 minutes. So that was beautiful. Now we are waiting here, guys. We are waiting here again. So probably the price will test another time the 32.79. If the price break that zone or something like this, probably we will see lower prices. Okay, we are waiting, we are waiting, we are waiting, guys. Waiting. Remember, we are waiting. The position is not open at this moment, so just be clear of that, please. Be clear of that, please. Because it was a really hard reaction. So at this moment, waiting, not for a long position. The ones who resist the uptrend around 3303 was a beautiful sell. Still waiting. Nothing confirmed at this moment. Still waiting, guys. Okay, still waiting. Be clear of that. And we are not into a position for take any other entry, because at this moment, inclusive, we can test the 3270. It's going to depend of the of the next candles. Probably yes. 4 minutes, and the candle looks really, really strong. We can see prices around 32.70 inclusive if um, this pressure for sellers continue. Waiting and waiting. Two minutes. So beautiful reaction into the bison, and for that reason the bison is there, because it's a must. So they need to resist that reactions. Okay, a good reaction there. So let's be ready, guys. Well, not. It's they are losing. They are losing the force, and I really like this point. 84. 84. But just it gives us a continuation near to 32.90. If not, we are still waiting. 15 minutes. Sorry, 15 seconds. Okay, that's a pin bar reaction. Beautiful pin bar reaction. So it's time to be ready. I will open a long position. Let's see if we can find at this point a good reaction or not. It depends for these candles. Depends for these candles. Waiting, guys, waiting. Probably we will see a retracement around this point. Okay, so be clear of that. Let's see it buy. It's if the buyers can continue with that uptrend pressure. Uptrend pressure. NASDAQ is going to test again the TP1. Okay, so now we are waiting the retracement. We are waiting the retracement. Darshana dear, how are you? Good? How are you? Good? Waiting that retracement. All in St. Louis, my friend, yes. Well, the sell was into the 3303. If you open a sell there, congratulations, my friend. More than 200 pips. That's beautiful. Good reaction. Long is not a good idea. That's my idea, my friend. So don't follow my idea if you don't think the same in the same way. So well, it looks like a little consolidation there. Consolidation in 1 minute. Um, mm, but not sure, not sure to take this point. 30 to 89. But well, let's see. It looks strong. It looks strong. So well, waiting. I know the people don't like to wait, but that's the deal here into the channel. Waiting, waiting. That's the deal. So well, it gives us like a strong point, this point. So let's see. The last 4 minutes here, I will wait the candle. If that candle ends like this, it give us a 32.90 as a strong point for get a reaction. 3 minutes. Two minutes. One minute. Okay, perfect. So well, we got the confirmation there. That's nice. Let's we wait the retracement. 32.90, 32.89. That's a good point for open that position, but let's wait. Or if we want to be aggressive, 32.91. So nice retracement. So it's time to be ready. It's time to be ready. Retracement. So the ones who don't like the trade, just don't take it. As simple as that. So this is the retracement. Let's open the trade. Let's see the hour. Okay. So now let me clarify the position into the chat. Working into my entries. Okay, perfect. Retracement touching the 0.5. Okay, let me clarify here. 31. Working into the TPS, the stop is 32.87.50. 6. TP3. So good reaction. Okay, let me clarify the full TP. 0.5. Three, 0.5. Okay. Let's see if we have a good reaction. So at this moment, we got a good reactions. There's only 146, 3287.50. $32.94 and 70. $32.94. So hard reaction for sellers at this moment. Let's see if we can find a good reaction there or not. It depends on this point. 32.99. TP3. There is the point. Let's see the reactions. Looks really, really strong. The point for sellers, 32.87.50. It's our stop loss. Okay. We need to see a reaction right now. So at this moment we have a really high volatility back to the point of entry. Let's see if we can find a good reaction into the 32.91. Okay, so at this moment it's in positive. So let's see, sellers is trying, buyers is trying. Over the most important thing here is 32.87.50. That's the most important thing here, guys. Be clear of that. Don't skip the stop loss and use the proper lot size for your accounts. Okay. Let's see the reactions. For buyers, it's a must to break the 32.92 if they want to continue for the TPs. So let's see the reaction. Two candles in green. Inclusive in this point, the price could be in a massive reaction straight to our stop loss. So be clear of that. If you feel the pressure, if you don't understand this is a risk investment, this is your opportunity. If you are okay with your risk, if you're okay with your investment, hold with me. Hold with me. Almost there. Almost there. almost there into the TP1. Last 2 minutes. If this candle ends up to the 0.5, up to the point of entry, probably we have high expectations for touch the TP2 and the TP3. Well, TP2 and TP3. But let's see. Let's see. It depends of these 2 minutes, guys. It depends of these 2 minutes. So be clear of that. Be clear. I'm still holding sell position. Perfect. Hold your position. Don't worry. Reverse. Yes, the TPs is the red points, my friend. The red points is the TPs. Yes, I think it should looks well. I think it's there. We can see all the TPs, the stop loss, and the TPs. Yes. Last candle for the 1 minute. Sorry, for the 15 minutes. So much to continue up to the 0.5. Last 40 seconds. And some more pressure. More pressure. $20 seconds. 10 seconds and the price will end up to the 0.5. So that's great. That's great. To be honest, it looks nice. But at this moment, this candle for the new candle, well, and the last seconds the volume was done. Very close to the 0.5. So well, at this moment it's pure patience. Nothing else. Nothing else. Pure patience, guys. Pure patience. Okay, almost there, guys. Just we need 6 pips more. 6 pips more. The little resistance in 32.93.50 has give us a reaction very hard. So let's see the last seconds for this candle. Okay, great. Let's see. Nice volume for buyers. Just we need 6 pips more for touch the TP1. Just some pips more. Five pips. 5 pips. It almost touched the TP1, but not did just for 3 pips, I think. Yes, 3 pips. Just for 3 pips, it didn't touch it. Holding the same position, holding the same position, holding the blue numbers. Massive reaction for sellers. So at this moment, spikes for both sides for 20 pips. So it's strong. It's strong. It's in a difficult fight for both sides. $332.93. That's 70. Looks like a little resistance. But well, now just 5 pips more. And again, reaction. Reaction for sellers. We need volume. We need volume there. We need the volume there. This is the last candle for 5 minutes. So if this ends in positive, probably we will see a nice reaction, but it depends. It depends of these 20 seconds. Pure patience. Pure patience, guys. Pure patience. Losing the volume, so probably then in the next 10 minutes we will define the entry. Okay, probably we have opportunity to touch the TP1 and the TP2, and we have opportunities to touch the stop loss, of course. Okay, so be clear of that, guys. Be clear of that. So still there. Just we need some pips more, that's all. Some pips more. So well, let's see. One push more. So push more. What is your time frame? 50 minutes. Yes, exactly. Okay. Last 7 minutes. As I told you guys, probably in the next 7 minutes we will define the position. It's almost there. Just 4 pips more for TP1. 7 pips. Retracement. Just 3 pips more. Almost there. It's there, guys. Okay, just let me clarify here, change some things. Okay, reducing. Now change the stop loss here. Okay, TP1, guys. TP1. Reducing the stop loss. Now it's an option to be in break even or just reduce the stop loss. According your experience, guys. According your experience. Hussein, you can use the VT markets. Against the VT markets for get a nice spreads, nice environment, nice welcome bonus for 100% of welcome bonus. If you use my link, just contact me by WhatsApp. I will provide you the Telegram signals. So well, guys, TP1, the ones who continue holding, it's an opportunity to hold the blue numbers with me. The ones to just set the break even, it's an opportunity to set the break even. The ones who just want to reduce the stop loss, do it like me, it's there. But it's according your experience, guys. It's according your experience, guys, and we are speaking in English. We are speaking in English. I don't want to see anyone writing in a weird languages, guys. So speak in English. Speak in English, or I will ban the people who's not speaking English here. So well, TP1, guys, the ones who wants to set the break even, it's an opportunity. The ones to reduce the stop loss, it's an opportunity too. The ones who just want to continue with the holding the trade, it's an opportunity too, but at least take some partial, take the break even or reduce the stop loss, okay? The pressure is for both sides, as you can see, and the TP1 is a strong reaction zone for sellers. Be clear of that. Be clear of that. Out full TP on my profit challenge. Perfect. Right below. Perfect. Right below. Okay, this one, bravo. It's time to say goodbye to Bravo. Adele, don't worry, my friend, don't worry. I was speaking with Brad Boo because I'm seeing the messages for him. But well, I know your language is like something like Arabic or something like this. I don't have any issue with that. Just for be clear, Adele. But I really appreciate if you speak in English, my friend. Okay, thanks. Perfect. Raúl, gracias, mi amigo. Espero estés en la posición. So, guys, tell me your profits. Tell me if you're already done with the entry. If you're going to hold. Tell me your positions. Tell me your positions. Holding. Pop it out. Sorry, it's my first time YouTube and yet I'll pop it out. But holding, thank you for your time and effort. Family first. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure, my friend. How do you often do this live stream? Every day, my friend. And exactly, Sniper, it's the truth. Just turn on the notifications. So almost there. TP2, guys. Let's be ready. Just some pips more. Almost TP2, guys. TP2 it's now, guys. TP2 it's now. Okay. Okay, now it's time to be in break even. It's not an option. Close 45 pips. It's time to be in break even. It's not an option to not don't be in break even. $45 pips. Break even. Break even. Break even. The break even is not an option now. The break even is not an option now. JJ took the TP1. Unfortunately, I'm in the US and VT market does not accept US client OW. Yes, exactly. For United States, they are really nice broker. You know, they are really nice broker. They are regulated in Australia, South Africa, so they are very trustable. Unfortunately, they are using not unfortunately because I really enjoy the environment for the MT5 and MT4. So unfortunately for United States, they banned that app. So for that reason, they can work there. But for the other countries, BT Market is more than welcome. You can do your first deposit and receive the 100% welcome bonus. And if you share me your link by WhatsApp, I will give you the Telegram signals. Okay. Now I can say you're great following from Ghana. Thanks, my friend Mohammed. JJ, that's great, dear. Don't worry. If you do the TP1, that's okay. I will do that. I'm holding the same positions, guys, just in case. I'm holding the same position. We got another reaction some here near to the 0.5. So as you can see, the reaction, if this 0.5 depends of the 3291, it depends of that. If we got a good reaction to 0.5 like this one, we will see the TP3. Okay, just holding the same position and got IDC. Hopefully you take the NASDAQ trade and this gold trade, my friend. Got IDC. Chintak, it's always is a pleasure, my friend. Thanks for being here. I moved, no, Nelson Poncho. I set my break even near to the point of entry. My break even at this moment is 3290.06. Nelson Poncho. Pueden preguntar en español igual. Recuerden. See you. Thank you for the $30. It's a pleasure. What triggered to take a buyer position? What triggered you take a buyer position in this trade? Basically, my volume. Not the volume, son. It was a resistance, son. It was a resistance, son. For that reason, I take that trade. So now this, as I told you guys, if we don't have a good reaction to the 0.5, probably we will see the break even. Okay? So for that reason, we are into the break even, guys. You always look for a doji candle on a gram. No, my friend, I don't take doji candles, my friend. To be honest, doji is not a good confirmation. So well, testing the point of entry, if you're going to do a re-entry, FJSP, the stop loss no more than 32.90, my friend. Okay, no more than that, no more than 32.90. So well, let's see, 5 minutes. They are trying very, very hard, guys. But at this moment, remember, it's not time to do any re-entry, guys. If you want to take the risk, use the stop loss 30 to 90, no more than that. Reduce as much as you can um, the lot size, because that's all. The reaction, the volume reaction was there. If the volume can continue, probably we will see lower prices. Okay, so be clear of that, guys. So, well, testing the point of entry. Still there. Remember, my break even is 32.90.60. They are testing the point of entry, guys. Jesus, here. We had some bots here, or what? Yes, sorry for this, man. JJ, can we link the review with Quantakill? No, sorry. No, you can. Basically, with TradingView, I think with inclusive with NFTMO, this is the strongest company for the prop firms. I think you can link there the reactions. So well, guys, still into the position. TP1 for the ones who open the re-entry. TP1 is now, so please take some partials. Take the break even. Okay, who do the re-entry and who are still holding the position, guys? So TP1 and almost TP2, guys. Yes, I already blocked them, guys. Farsa is holding. Farsa, remember, try to do some partial, at least 20-30% in TP2, and the other hold it without risk and reduce. I didn't use the normal break even, like, because most of the people set the break even a little up to your point of entry. I prefer to at least give them 8 pips, because I'm okay if I lose 8 or 10 pips just for set my break even to 30 to 90, that's 60, and it give me that opportunity to hold my trade to bigger positions. That's um, the idea, you know. I do the partial in TP2, okay, I have the profit. So well, I'm going to reduce the break even as much as I can, 10 pips, and then I will hold it. Why? Because I really like to avoid this type of retracements, guys. This red candle gives us a retracement and touch the point of entry and then go back straight to the TP2, guys. So for that reason, guys, I don't going to accept anyone speaking or writing in weird languages, just English or Spanish. Sorry, guys, this is what I understand. I don't want to use the translator today for see what the people is seeing. So please, okay. So that was the reason. I have the opportunity again, because I don't want to open a re-entries. You know, I don't like to open a re-entries. I just prefer continue with my risk, with my original risk, and then hold as much as I can. If the price go back to my break even, don't worry, I already win 45 pips. Okay, so be clear of that. This is the idea, this is the explanation. Take your notes, and guys, please always try to confirm, that information. Take some portions, guys. So well, nice pressure. Continue. We continue with the same entry. Mayan blocks. I'm back. Gold first target, bro. I'm holding short my target low. Possible. No, my friend. To be honest, I think we will see prices around TP3. To be honest. So 'So who is holding? I know Fars is holding. Who? Well, Pip Squad is holding. Is there any chance, money? The chance was in 32.91, my friend. 32.91. Nice push. Beautiful push. Georgios, nice to see you here holding. Well, where is Chintak? I hope Chintak just set the break even near to 32.90, that's 60. To don't see another B. But well, let's see. Irfan is holding. Selling, nice to see you here. <clears throat> 100, Abdel. Okay, perfect. Excellent, my friend Chintak. Good. Respect your own strategy. That's beautiful. That's beautiful, my friend. That's beautiful. Since A3 close the and relive in the rest B and final TP 3308. Nick H. Good job. Perfect. Perfect, Chintak. Excellent. Excellent. Always, guys, the Chintak, what he's doing is he's one of the I'm not going to say my students, my colleagues into the Discord. One of the things in Discord is always, always, if you have an idea, just respect your idea. Okay, if you want to sell, if you see your opportunity to sell and I propose a long position, follow your idea. Why? Because this is the first steps to be profitable. You know, when you respect your own ideas, it's one of the first steps to be profitable to this. TP3, guys. TP3, it's now. TP3, it's now. Tell me your profits. Tell me if you're holding. So now it's time to set the last partial here. Now it's going to be different. Now it's going to be different. Now my TP1, it's my B. I'm okay with 75 pips, so it doesn't matter if the price go back. But my TP1, it's 32.94, that's 70. Okay, that's my B. 32.94, that's 70. Ceiling, $400. Luis Torcato, $900. Omar, 850 euros. Irfan, that's the idea, you know. I share my songs, so that's beautiful. That's beautiful. If you want to base there, or just see another point of view, because that is important too, you know, because sometimes you need to see another point of view. For example, I always check the Discord. The Discord, there are all some guys share the ideas, and I always compare. You know, their ideas or my ideas. For see another point of view. That it's important too. But of course, if I'm going to buy and another guy is going to sell, and that's a sell, right? Because it's supposed and the and the head of the community, right? So well, this is the idea. This is the idea. Yes, this is the idea for sure. If I have the idea, I'm going to defend my idea. If but I always compare my entries into the guys who share their own strategy into the our community in Discord. Is this the yours profitable? I have profitable. Profitable, yes. It's profitable. So yes, difficult word. So sailing, $400. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. That's really, really nice. That's really nice. Fire sign zone for $50 in the real account and in a challenge for 100. Beautiful. And as I go breaking the current 1 hour low, I will leave a runner. Perfect. I do all my TPs because Monday coming, if you know what I mean. Perfect, my friend. So don't worry, Georgios. I know Friday is not your best day, but well, it's okay. Thanks God. We made 73 pips in NASDAQ and 75 pips in gold for today. So that's nice. Now it's just wait, guys. Pure patience. Who is still holding? Yesterday I really need a break. I really need a break. I really need the break for the Tokyo session. Uh, because yesterday I lose a position for a long position, and just for I don't know for 3 4 pips I lose the entry. So to be honest, it affected me because it was a really nice trade. It was a really nice trade, and I really understand what the price is going to do. So yesterday I just go take a little some break, some hours. I do the retest of the entry, understand my mistake, and for today just come back because I know the price is going to into the same point. It's probably we will see some similar reactions, and this is the result for the back testing for yesterday. Um, I mean, I remember the that beautiful subscriber. I mean, telling me like probably is your confidence. Um, Sometimes yes, sometimes yes, sometimes no. I prefer just describe the. It's not a confidence. It's just the patience. It's just the patience, and that's all. That's all. If you have patience, you will find a good results. That's all. Um, That's it. That's it. I don't have the options. I don't have the options to to take. This is my work, right? This is my work. That it's the um, that is my way for living. So I'm my own boss. I think I can say it like this. But the thing is, it's about how do you feel, right? If you when you lose a trade and you feel bad, this is the this is the first indicious to take a break. Take a break, just some hours. For me, I'm okay with some hours. With just skip one session and then come back. But if you suffer a lose, just take 2 3 days, a week, a month. Um, it depends. It depends on the people. But for me, it's like this. I'm trying to do my best as usual. Yesterday, inclusive, I made 300 pips in Dow Jones. I recovered the stop loss, the two stop loss for yesterday, double the money for this trade for 300 pips in Dow Jones, inclusive winning that money. I don't feel good. I don't feel good because I know some people need to recover that stops. So right now, hopefully the people in Telegram could recover the stops for yesterday, or at least some money. Um, because as usual, and I really want to say always, I really I need to respect the money of the people. I need to give them good results for that. Okay. So, can you explain how do you take the position in a very little, with a very little bit stop loss? My friend, yes. If you check the 1 hour, sorry, the 1 minute. Let's go to 1 minute. If you check the 1 minute time frame, my friend, you will see this point here. This is a consolidation, so it gives us that point of entry. Okay, this is the consolidation in 1 minute. What I'm always tell you guys, like, this is the consolidation, guys. So we need to open the trade. So we wait the retest. Then the price give us that retracement here. Of course, it goes back very hard for 20 pips. For that reason, we use this stop loss. For that reason, we open the trade into the 32.91. Then the price gives us that beautiful reaction. 1, 2, 3 times it retests the 32.91. That's 46. And as you can see, it's a really strong point of entry. Okay. So, well, that is the reason for I opened that trade, and I always check the 1 minute just for see the consolidation and see the minor resistance and the support. For 15 minutes, I just clarify if we have the confirmation. What was our confirmation? The pin bar reaction. This pin bar reaction was our confirmation. And then just we got the retracement and open the trade. And now it's just holding without risk for the full take profit. I have the pre-recorded videos explaining the strategy into the Discord. If you want to be there, just contact me by WhatsApp if you want to learn about the strategy. Remember, with BT markets, we got the first deposit 100 welcome bonus, and if you use my link and share me your email, I will give you the Telegram signals access. For Quantical, it's the same. If you use my link, you will receive the 40% of discount. There, if you share me your email, I will give you the Discord support. Remember, Discord is for learn. Telegram it's for it's just signals. The channels is not for free. Just be sure of that, guys. So well, almost there. Who is still holding? Waiting for the full take profit, guys. Waiting for the full take profit. Waiting for the full take profit. Almost there. Seems like flipping bullish as well. Really looks good. So guys, we will see their full take profit, guys. Just 4 pips more. 4 pips more. Well, let's see. Let's see to call the full take profit and who tell me who is holding. Tell me your profits. Didn't make it soon on that one. Where's the holding? Beautiful. We almost there, just for 5 pips. It didn't touch the TP1. Sorry, the full take profit. Well, so I'm going to take some decisions here. Let me see. Will change my B to TP3, guys. Okay, my B it's into the TP3. I don't want to lose with that the reaction here. That's my beam, 75 pips secure. So let's see, guys. Let's see. TP3 32.99. We can hold US 100. Well, US 100 already touched my break even, my friend. But if you still into a position, probably we will see prices around 21,190. It means TP1 again. So if you want to hold that trade to TP1, TP2, it's a good decisions at this moment. But remember, we already did the break even, okay, the break even into the NASDAQ, my friend. Well, a lot of people is holding, so that's beautiful. When does it mean when price rejects the support more than 3 times, bouncing off that point? Um, if the rejections looks great, you can open a seller, you can open a long position. It depends of what you're looking for. So well, it's still there. Kenton, so here, blocks, I love your trend, but today I changed the point of entry. Ah, yes, for sure, I changed the point of entry, my friend. Yes, I changed the point of entry. The point of entry was 32.91. For that reason, it I always wait or propose, as I told you, like the aggressive point near to 32.91, the other point 32.90, or the secure point 32.89. So well, it depends. It depends on the reactions. If the events of the reactions look in there, but then explain where I'm going to take the point of entry. Okay. So just when I set or I send the point of entry into the Telegram, that is the point of entry, and that's it. If you are into the Telegram, probably you will understand that things. If not, if you want to receive the clear information and at the moment, just contact me by WhatsApp and I will give you the options, my friend. Almost there into the full take profit. Who is still holding, guys? I didn't want to touch the full TP. So well, for 6 pips, no, for 5 pips, we didn't touch these. Full take profit, still holding, still holding. Let's see what happened.
La mega de Pensaíno, donde Uber o Baby. Eso, Pingüi, ves, mae. Este mae sí lo entendió, bro. No como el otro poco de caballos que es. Ya, Pingüi, porque sabía todas esas de vivir las épocas de aquel barrial hediondo. Mae, yo creo que yo voy a alquilar esa choza, pero mae, no estoy seguro, mae. O sea, necesito que me confirmen, tengo un par ahí de opciones más baratas. O sea, si voy yo solo, no alquilo ese chozón, amigo, obviamente que no. Pero de más, si somos varios, madre, que alquilamos, madre, si puta nos sale baratísima, pero nos sale como 50 lo buscado.
Guys, I'm not going to recommend to open another trade at this point, guys, because the price is almost into the full take profit. So for that reason, for rebuying, it's not, for me, it's not an option, to be honest, my friend. To be honest, it's not an option. So well, let's see the reaction. The 0.5, it's there. So what the buyers want to what is the mission for the buyers? If we want to see the full TP, they is a must to break that support there, guys. So well, let's see. I like your trading knowledge, bro. Sayi Sudhir blog. Sometimes I'm good. Sometimes it's a difficult month. It's a difficult month. Last month was very difficult. This month I want to expect better conditions, but no, it's a difficult market. It's a difficult market. It's a difficult market when you have the little stops. The little stops. So well, let's see. It's possible gold touch 3380. Jesus, it's too much, my friend. 8,000 pips. 8,000 pips. I really want to say yes. Probably yes, but not tomorrow. Not the next weeks. Probably for 3 weeks, 1 month. We will see prices around 3,380 again. Okay. So well guys, for 5 pips, we didn't make the full take profit. My break even, it's taken now. Okay guys, thanks for the support. I really appreciate that. Thanks for that. Thanks for the ones who understand the trading is a risk investment. Trading is a risk investment. But well, not too much to do at this moment. The price touched the break even, and that's all. That's all. That's all for the day. We made some pips in NASDAQ. Well, in Dow Jones, sorry. Not some pips, for 73 pips in Dow Jones, entry for Telegram, and 75 pips. The exact moment um, for the price was in this room, guys. So this is for 380 pips, and this is for so well, that was the best trade for the day. Yes, that was the best trade for the day. 75 pips, almost full take profit. Just for 5 pips, I didn't book the full take profit. But well, that things happen. Things happen. Not much to do. But it was really good return. Probably the ones who want to continue holding, we got another reaction in 32.95. So if the 32.95, probably we will, if we see a good reaction into into that trade, into that point, 32.95, we will see highest prices around 33.10 or something like this. Be clear of that, guys, but again, my break even was stake. So that is the reaction. What we have, 75 pips with no too much risk. That's all for the day, guys. 73 pips, 73 pips in Dow Jones, and 75 pips in gold, guys. For me, it's a pleasure. For me, always it's a pleasure. LMS, Dow Jones is almost in TP2, my friend. Sorry, in TP1 again. So yes, beautiful. The ones who remember, if you want to be part of this beautiful community, contact me by WhatsApp. 20% of discount for Telegram signals and Discord. BT Markets give us the 100% of welcome bonus and the free Telegram channel if you use my link. Okay? Quantekel 50 key challenge or 25 key instant funding will receive the Discord and the 40% of discount. By my side, that's all, guys. I really appreciate everyone here. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the good comments. Thanks for the bad comments. Hopefully, everyone learned something today. Hopefully, everyone make some money today. Thanks for your support, guys. I'll be back in Tokyo sessions. Okay? Thanks, guys. It always is a pleasure. My boyhood, it's a pleasure. Can we hold NASDAQ? Yes, my friend, hold NASDAQ. It's almost into the TP1 again. It means 75 pips. But again, if we touch the TP1, you already have the points for the TPs. LMS, I'm your dad. You already have the TPs, guys. So please take care of that TPs if you are going to hold that positions. Dow Jones, it's almost into the oh, it was NASDAQ. Yes, NASDAQ. Yes, sorry. Yeah, I was thinking of Dow Jones. 345. NASDAQ. Yes, sorry guys, was for NASDAQ, not for Dow Jones. Thanks, JJ. 73. Okay. $259. Yes, it's for NASDAQ, not for Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones, NASDAQ, my friend, NASDAQ. Sometimes I confuse the NASDAQ and Dow Jones, not always the clear information gets into the Telegram, guys. Okay, it's almost touched the TP1, just 10 pips more, and we will back to TP1. I'm your dad, I'm LMS, so Dow Jones still there. For the ones who are still holding gold, beautiful reaction here, so probably we will see the full take profit. Okay, just set your break-even and hold with care. For me, always is a pleasure, guys. Thanks for being here. I'll be back in Tokyo session. Active the notifications if you don't want to lose any.